Morning children, how are you all? Welcome to English class. Okay, in previous class we have completed this question time and also two exercise from companion also. Isn't it? I gave you homework. Have you done children? Everyone? Yes, very good. Most of you sent pictures also. Very nice. You did? Okay. Now, today we are going with the studio only. Open page number 48, children. Literature check. Okay. Recall that a poem usually has lines that rhyme. Okay, that means you have to, usually a poem will have the lines that will rhyme. Rhyming means what? Both sounds like same, isn't it? Pick two rhyming words pairs from the poem that you just read. Okay, that means you have to pick out two pairs of rhyming words from the poem. Okay, now see children, open it, page number 46. Now once check the poem children, already they have given two words. What are they? Tell me. Seed, need. Isn't it? Seed, need means both are different meaning, different spelling, but sounds like same. అర్థాలు వేరు, స్పెల్లింగ్స్ కూడా వేరు, కానీ పలకడానికి ఒకలాగే ఉన్నాయి. Isn't it? That two words can be called as rhyming words. Most of the poems will have these rhyming words in the end of the lines. Isn't it? Poem ki maximum rhyming words అనేవి ఉంటూ ఉంటాయి. Now seed and need they have given. Another two pairs we have to write. Next see, I grew up as a shady tree. Tree, and next breathing the air clean and free. Free, these two are sounding like same. Tree, free, isn't it? And next see, I have branches so many for children to play with company. Many, company. Tree, free. Write these two here children. Here you have to write. First one, tree, free. Isn't it? Next, many and company. Okay children, write like this. Now next see, before I become a tree is a nature poem. Nature poem means what? It describes about the nature, isn't it? Let us learn more about nature poems. What do you mean by nature poem and what about it? Let's learn. Okay, nature poems. See, nature poem talks about the nature beauty. That means it describes about the beauty of the nature, the seasons, rainbows, forests, animals, birds and flowers. All these are the nature only, no? It will describe about the beauty of the nature. What will describe? Yes, nature poem will describe about all this. Nature poems are mostly gentle and have a calming effect on the readers. That means the nature poems will very gentle and also calming effect on the readers. That means when you are reading this, you will feel like refreshing and relaxing. Like that you will feel children by reading these nature poems. Okay. Already I told you to do 4th A exercise in studio, not studio, in companion. Have you did this? Yes, most of you did this children. Okay, now let's see here only. Now 4.4, this one you have to discuss in the class. That's why I'm ignoring this one children. You are not there in the class, that's why. 4.4, let's see. Close your eyes, Think of some objects that you get or use from the nature. List them and describe what you use them for. In figure 1 is done for you. That means you close your eyes, children. We are getting so many things from the nature. Isn't it? మన నేచర్ నుంచి చాలా తీసుకుంటున్నాం. అవి ఏమేమి తీసుకుంటున్నామో రాయాలి. అలాగే వాటి ద్వారా వాటిని మనం ఎలా ఉపయోగిస్తున్నామో కూడా రాయాలి. See, for example, what I get from the nature, vegetables I'll get from the nature, and how I will use it, what I use it for, food. Isn't it? For food only we will take the vegetables from the nature. Like that you have to write this. Okay, I will help you, children. Please take your pencil and write down now itself studio page number 49. Okay, remaining what we will get, children, tell me. From trees what we will get? Wood. Isn't it? Wood we will get. How we will use this wood? Furniture. Isn't it? Furniture. Furniture. And fuel. For fuel also we will use this wood. And for paper, okay, we will get these papers also from wood only, children. From trees only we will get these papers also. That's why you have to use both sides of the paper. Okay, don't waste the papers also. And next what we will get from the nature? Honey. Do you like honey, children? Yes, very sweet, no? Honey for food we will use, and for medicines also we will use honey. Food, medicines. Okay, for food and medicines we will use honey. And next, medicinal plants. Okay, medicinal plants. Okay, so many plants will be there, no, children? In forest also plants will be there. We don't know the uses of that plants, but doctors will know. Okay, from trees only our medicines will prepare. See, medicines. Okay, from medicinal plants we will get the medicines. And fruits, from where we will get fruits? We will manufacture the fruits? No, it will comes directly from the nature only. Isn't it? How we will use fruits? We will use fruits as a food. Isn't it? And next, bamboo. Bamboo, do you know, children? Bamboo sticks will be there. For what we will use? To make houses. Isn't it? That means for shelter we will use bamboo. And natural oil. Okay, we will use so many types of oil. Groundnut oil, sunflower oil, all these oils we will get from the nature only. For what we will use, children? For cooking we will use. Isn't it? For cooking we will use this oil. Okay, like this you have to write, children. Okay, wood, furniture, fuel, paper, honey, food, medicines, medicinal plants, medicines, fruits, food, bamboo, shelter, natural oil, cooking. Okay, like this complete this activity, children, and send to me. This is about today's English class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.